Yep, that's Zach Mertens, longtime right-hand man of Ken Block and newly crowned king of chaos on YouTube. Zach wants an Epoxy Max floor, he's getting one.
The boys from Epoxy Max coming all the way from the East Coast. We're going to show you how to really spice up a shop. Take it from zero to hero. Oh, let's get into it. Got to work here.
Never leave home without a flat squeegee.
You know what? It looks nice and clean. All right, it's game time. It's about time we lay down that metallic coat and make this thing look nice and pretty. As those settle, that's what's starting to settle out and give it that really cool marbled look. Looks good. This looks sick. This is better than I expected. Damn! Yo, this looks sick as fuck. Sorry, excuse my language. I know you guys are recording this, but damn, son.
We have the money coat down. It looks pretty epic in my opinion. So we're gonna go an additional step here now on the top coat and put some of our satin Armortech 830 on it. That's gonna basically knock the gloss down and reduce the shine so it's less reflective.
I'm gonna get this garage door open up in a second. See what it looks like. Can we open it up? Can we see it?
Let's do it.
All right. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, dude, the map for sure was the move. Damn, this looks wild. It looks like one big slab of marble. This looks good.
Yeah.
This looks real good.
Yeah, looks clean, man.
Guys, this is awesome. This is nice.